Are you planning a trip to Argentina and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Argentina in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Argentina is Airalo. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Airalo is a strong pick. For Argentina, the options start with 1 GB for $6, valid for 7 days. There's also 2 GB for $11.50, valid for 15 days, and 3 GB for $15.50, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, there's 5 GB for $23.50, 10 GB for $42 and 20 GB for $49, all valid for 30 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can even top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I recommend Maya Mobile. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Maya's plans offer great value. You've got 10-day options like 3 GB for $10.79, 5 GB for $16.19, and 10 GB for $26.99. Power users can step up to 20 GB for $42.29 and even unlimited data for $34.19, still on that 10-day period. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Argentina into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get the QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose, Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible, the app is user-friendly, and the 30-day validity means less hassle. But if you're going for short-term high-speed use, Maya Mobile gives you better value, especially with that unlimited option for well under $40. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Argentina in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.